Let's begin. 3.4, standard form of linear equations. So we were talking previously about slope-intercept form. That's the y equals mx plus b. Now we have standard form. ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are all numbers. So basically it would look like, let's see, what's their first example? 2x minus 6y equals 12. See how a is a number, b is a number, and c is a number. So this is just the form that the equation could be in, and you would replace a with any number, b with any number, or c with any number. As long as a and x aren't both equal to 0 at the same time, this is a workable formula. And to find the x and y intercepts of the coordinate plane, what we do is we set each one equal to 0 one at a time and solve the equation. So let's say if we set x equal to 0, then this whole thing becomes 0 and goes away. And then we have negative 6y equals 12, so we divide by negative 6, divide by negative 6, and y equals negative 2. So if we go down to negative 2, here's 1 point. Okay, now we back up. And we bring back that 2x minus 6y. Now we replace the y with 0, which will get rid of this, right? Because anything times 0 is 0. And then we divide by 2, and x equals 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom. Now we have 2 points, and therefore we have a line. Just little arrowheads, because the line goes on into infinity. This is the y-intercept, because this is where it's touching the y-axis. This is the x-intercept, because that's where it's touching the x-axis. Let me do another example with 3x plus 6y equals 18. We're going to put a little graph down here in the corner, and then the first thing we want to do is set x equal to 0 to find y. So if we set x equal to 0, then 3 times 0 is 0, and we can ignore that for now. And then 6y equals 18, so divide by 6, divide by 6. 18 divided by 6 is 3. Y equals 3. Remember, this is the y-axis. The up and down is the y-axis. 1, 2, 3. Dot there. All right. Back that up. And go 0 for y, so we can ignore that. And then divide by 3, divide by 3. 18 divided by 3 is 6, so x should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And there we have a line, because we have the y-intercept and the x-intercept. All right, now we have these special exceptions, which are y equals a number or x equals a number, like this. So let's say y equals 3. You take your graph, you go to y, 1, 2, 3, and doesn't matter what x you put in, y will always equal 3, which means it's a straight line directly through the 3. Just a horizontal line straight through the 3. Conversely, if you say x equals 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, x line will be straight up and down. Like that. That's a special exception. If y equals a number or x equals a number without the other letter being involved, it's a straight line, either sideways or up and down. And that does it for this lesson. I'll meet you in the next.